Your mind is quietly getting weaker every single day. It happens slowly, so subtly that you don't even realize it until suddenly you're overwhelmed by things you used to handle easily. You start avoiding challenges, fearing uncomfortable conversations, and second guessing every decision. And here's the harsh truth no one wants to tell you: mental strength isn't permanent. You're either building it or losing it, and most people are losing it, piece by piece without even noticing. Here's why it happens: comfort is killing your mental resilience. Think about it. Your brain is wired for survival, not success. It wants the easy route, the painless option. When you scroll through social media instead of facing a tough conversation, your mind gets weaker. When you postpone difficult decisions to avoid anxiety, your resolve shrinks. Each small avoidance becomes a habit, and before you know it, your brain defaults to backing down, hesitating, and fearing discomfort. But mental toughness isn't about pretending you're fearless. It's about deliberately choosing the harder path even when your mind screams, "Take the easy way out." It's about facing discomfort, not because you enjoy pain, but because you know growth hides right behind it. Here's how you reverse the decline. First, become brutally honest with yourself. Your brain has two modes: reactive or intentional. Reactive minds panic under pressure, overreact to criticism, and spiral in negativity. Intentional minds stay calm, pause, and choose their responses carefully. Every time you slow down instead of reacting impulsively, you strengthen that intentional mode. You literally reshape your brain to handle stress better. Remember, your mind is a muscle, and it gets stronger each time you choose discipline over comfort. Next, you need to actively expose yourself to discomfort. Sounds crazy, right? But it works. Cold showers, tough conversations, decisions made without endless validation. Each one is mental training. Every time you willingly embrace something uncomfortable, you build a layer of resilience. Over time, these layers stack up until you realize you're facing situations as effortlessly that once terrified you. And here's something powerful most people never realize: discomfort is contagious. The more you seek it out voluntarily, the less it frightens you involuntarily. Fear doesn't vanish, it just loses control over you. Courage isn't the absence of fear, it's mastering it until fear is your tool, not your enemy. Next, strengthen your mind's protective armor. Right now, your mind is open to every criticism, doubt, and negative thought that comes your way. To change this, you need clear boundaries defined by your core values. Principles so strong, nothing irrelevant gets inside. When someone criticizes or questions you, filter it. Is this valuable? Is it true? Does it align with my core beliefs? If not, let it bounce off. Confidence grows when you stop absorbing every piece of negativity thrown at you. Finally, let's talk about turning pressure into power. Pressure is inevitable, but how you handle it defines you. The mentally weak view pressure as a threat, something to fear and avoid. The mentally strong see pressure as a challenge, a signal that they're about to grow. When life hits hard, ask yourself, how will this make me stronger? What skill am I gaining from this? Suddenly, stress isn't something breaking you down. It's something building you up. Understand this: your mind becomes weaker every time you run from a challenge and stronger every time you run toward it. This isn't motivational fluff, it's neuroscience. You're literally wiring your brain to either shy away or stand firm. The choice is yours every single day. So start small, face one fear today, set one boundary tomorrow, and slowly, consistently reclaim your mental strength. Because the real secret nobody shares: mental toughness isn't built overnight. It's built decision by decision, day by day, fear by fear, until one day you look back and realize you've become unstoppable.